In the crystal-clear waters of the Indo-Pacific, beneath the swaying tentacles of vibrant sea anemones, there exists a unique and harmonious partnership that has captivated scientists and nature lovers alike. The small yet bold clownfish, or Amphiprion ocellaris, is perhaps the most famous fish in the ocean. But it is not alone. It shares its home with one of the ocean's most lethal and most beautiful creatures, the sea anemone. The clownfish and the sea anemone's relationship is one of nature's finest examples of mutualism, where both species benefit from each other in ways that few other oceanic creatures can replicate. Together, they have created a bond that has lasted for millennia, each relying on the other for survival in the complex world of the coral reef. The clownfish, with its striking orange and white striped body, is a small, yet resilient fish that thrives in the warm waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. Its vibrant appearance makes it one of the most easily recognizable creatures in the ocean. These fish are usually about 7 to 10 centimeters long, with a tough, armor-like skin that helps protect them against predators. However, what truly sets clownfish apart from many other species is their relationship with the sea anemone. The sea anemone, with its elegant, flowing tentacles and hypnotic movements, may seem like a peaceful part of the reef, but it is a creature of great power. Its tentacles are lined with tiny, venomous cells called nematocysts, which can sting and paralyze any unsuspecting prey that comes too close. For most creatures, the sea anemone represents a deadly trap, but for the clownfish, it is a sanctuary, a place of protection and food. So how does the clownfish navigate this perilous environment? The answer lies in a unique adaptation that has developed over thousands of years. The clownfish is immune to the sting of the sea anemone. This remarkable feature is due to a special layer of mucus on the clownfish's skin, which prevents the venom from penetrating. The fish's immunity is crucial, as it allows the clownfish to live among the anemone's deadly tentacles without fear. But why would the sea anemone allow the clownfish to live so close? This, too, is part of the symbiotic relationship. The clownfish offers protection to the sea anemone by chasing away potential predators like butterflyfish or certain types of damselfish that might try to nibble on the anemone's soft tissues. In return, the sea anemone provides shelter for the clownfish, shielding it from predators such as groupers and snappers, which would otherwise pose a significant threat. The clownfish even helps clean the anemone, removing debris and parasites from its tentacles. It's a perfect partnership where both species receive what they need. The clownfish gets a safe haven from the dangers of the reef, while the sea anemone benefits from the clownfish's vigilance and cleaning services. This partnership is so intricate that the clownfish will often return to the same anemone throughout its life, forming a bond that is deeply ingrained in its survival strategy. One of the most fascinating aspects of the clownfish's behavior is its ability to communicate and navigate the intricate world of the sea anemone. Despite being such a small creature, the clownfish has mastered the art of moving through the anemone's tentacles, brushing against them in a way that doesn't trigger the venomous sting. The fish's movements are deliberate and precise, using the anemone's flow to protect itself as it swims in and out of its host. But the clownfish's relationship with the sea anemone is not just about protection. The clownfish also plays a crucial role in the anemone's reproduction. By defending the anemone from predators and helping keep the environment clean, the clownfish contributes to the health of its host, ensuring that the sea anemone can reproduce and continue its life cycle. This fascinating partnership also extends to the clownfish's reproductive behavior. The clownfish are known to form strong pair bonds with a mate, usually one male and one female. The pair will lay their eggs on flat surfaces near the anemone, where the eggs are protected by both the anemone's stinging tentacles and the vigilant clownfish. The male clownfish guards the eggs until they hatch, ensuring their safety from hungry predators. Once hatched, the young clownfish, known as larvae, are carried off by the ocean currents until they are ready to settle down and find their own sea anemone host. This cycle of life, death, and rebirth is a testament to the delicate balance of nature. The clownfish and sea anemone have forged a relationship that allows both species to flourish in the vibrant world of the coral reef, and their bond continues to be a symbol of survival in one of Earth's most diverse ecosystems. The unique partnership between clownfish and sea anemones continues to intrigue scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Their bond is a remarkable example of how species evolve to coexist, with each benefiting from the other in ways that are vital for survival in the harsh world of the coral reef. One of the most fascinating features of this relationship is how the clownfish adapts to the dangerous world of the sea anemone. The sea anemone's tentacles are lined with stinging cells called nematocysts, which can paralyze and kill small prey. Most creatures steer clear of these anemones, but the clownfish is immune to their sting. This immunity is thanks to a special mucus coating on the clownfish's skin, which prevents the venom from penetrating. This unique adaptation allows the clownfish to swim freely through the anemone's stinging tentacles, a feat that most marine creatures could never accomplish. In return for this protection, the clownfish plays a crucial role in the well-being of the sea anemone. By living within the anemone's protective embrace, the clownfish helps deter predators that might otherwise threaten the sea anemone, such as butterfly fish and certain types of damselfish. The clownfish aggressively defends its host, darting toward any threat with impressive speed. In doing so, it becomes not just a resident, but a protector, ensuring that the anemone can continue to thrive. But the clownfish's contribution goes beyond just guarding its home. The clownfish also helps keep the sea anemone clean by removing parasites and debris from its tentacles. As the clownfish moves through the anemone, it picks off unwanted organisms, ensuring that the anemone remains healthy. This cleaning behavior is another form of mutual benefit, where the clownfish is rewarded with a safe, nutrient-rich environment while helping its host stay in optimal condition. The relationship between clownfish and sea anemones also extends to their reproductive behaviors. The clownfish is known to form strong pair bonds, with a male and female working together to lay their eggs on a flat surface near the anemone. These eggs are protected by the anemone's venomous tentacles, which keep larger predators at bay. The male clownfish guards the eggs diligently, ensuring that they remain safe until they hatch. Once the eggs hatch, the young clownfish are carried away by the currents and eventually seek out their own sea anemone to start the cycle anew. Interestingly, not all clownfish species share the same affinity for all types of sea anemones. Amphiprion ocellaris, the well-known orange clownfish, is most commonly found in association with species like Heteractis magnifica and Stichodactyla gigantea, which have large, sweeping tentacles. These anemones provide the perfect shelter for the clownfish, offering both protection and a habitat to thrive in. However, while clownfish and sea anemones have flourished together for millions of years, their future is not without challenges. Coral reefs, the habitat of both clownfish and sea anemones, are under threat due to human activities such as climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Warmer ocean temperatures and rising acidity levels threaten the delicate balance of reef ecosystems, endangering both the clownfish and their anemone hosts. This poses a risk not only to the species themselves, but to the countless other creatures that depend on the reef for survival. Despite these threats, the bond between clownfish and sea anemones is a powerful example of nature's resilience. It is a relationship built on cooperation, trust, and mutual benefit, one that has persisted through millions of years of evolution. As long as the coral reefs continue to thrive, so too will the partnership between the clownfish and sea anemone, offering hope that this ancient and beautiful bond will endure. Together, the clownfish and sea anemone create a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem, where each species plays an irreplaceable role in the health of the reef. Their partnership is a living testament to the power of symbiosis, a reminder that in the world of nature, cooperation often leads to the greatest survival.